Hello friend, on this video we are going to talk about how to deal with large pores. If your skin, like you have enlarged pores on your skin, please, this is for you bestie, this is for you. I'm going to give you at least tricks or tips here and there on how to deal with it, on how to tackle it, on how what to go for, so that at least you shrink down the pores, or at least you deal with the cause. Like, what is, go for those products that will at least tackle this problem from inside out, and that will help you at the end of the day, or with time, as long as you keep following the routine, you'll see a big change or a big difference on your face. So please stay tuned. If you are here for the first time, I'm Winnie Mans, and thank you so much for tuning in. And if you are a return subscriber, thank you so much, and please feel welcome, and let's dive right into it. If you're dealing with enlarged pores on your skin, try to double cleanse, and try go for the cleansers with salicylic acid in them, or go for the oil cleansers. So you can have either of them, or you can have both. You just double cleanse so that to leave your skin as clean as it can get. And also that salicylic acid, it's going to dissolve those the blackheads and the whiteheads on your pores that's clogging the pores. So it's going to dissolve it and remove them, leaving your pores wide open, because that's what we want. Same goes with the oil cleansers. It will dissolve the gunks on your pores, and then you'll remain with clear pores. And that's what we are going for, because that's how now the products that you want to put in there on the skin will be absorbed well and will work perfectly as we want them to work on the skin. Another thing, you can use the pore strips to remove the blackheads and the whiteheads on the pores. You'll find them where they sell the skincare products. You just put it on your face, and then later on you pull it off, so it will dry down. And that is the same as even the peel off masks. Yes, the peel off masks, whereby you put it and then it will dry down on your face, and then you pull it. So some are very effective on removing those whiteheads and the blackheads. So after you've pulled, you just have to pull it now nicely off your face, and it will come off with the gunk on your pores. And that is the whiteheads and the blackheads, just to cleaning your pores and leaving them ready to absorb the products that you're going to put in them, that will help to now shrink the pores back into place. Just like, maybe, like, let's say for instance, maybe you're a doctor and you want to treat a wound. Obviously you have to clean it first, and then after cleaning now is when you want to put the products or the medicines that are going to heal the wound. So it's the same with our skin. Yes bestie, another thing, you can go for facials. This will deep clean your skin, removing the gunk built up on your pores, leaving it clean and ready to absorb the products that you're going to put in it. That way it will be much easier for the products to take effect and for you to see change as fast as possible. If you can afford it, or if you have the money for it, go for facials. Another one, you can go for products that will help reduce the production of oil on your skin. And actually basically there's a video I had uploaded on skincare routine for oily skin. So you need to check that video so that you know the products that I'm talking about. Those products will help you reduce the oil production on your skin, and most especially if you are too oily, because those people with all, like, too much of the whiteheads and the blackheads on their skin are always those people with the oily skin. So you can check that video. It's already up like a week now. You can check it out to know the products, which kind of products I'm talking about, or which products you need to go for, because that's what you need also when you're having the problems with the enlarged pores. It's because your skin is producing too much oil. Another one, go for those products that have ingredients that absorb oil on the skin, and the ingredients such as the silica and phthalates. Try go for those products with such ingredient list, and it's mostly found on the oily skin moisturizers. So go for them, because at least they'll help absorb the excess oil on your skin, and at least that will just regulate the situation. Yes, bestie. Number 6, go for products that boost your collagen production. When your collagen production is boosted, or you keep boosting it, it helps with tightening the skin, and that tightening the skin, obviously it will shrink the pores, so it will end up at least reducing the appearance of the pores. The products that can boost your collagen production are things like the retinoids and the exfoliants. So exfoliants like the glycolic acid, it's so good to help. It helps with the shrinkage of the pores. So go for those products. And retinoids is a must have the moment you hit 25, bestie. The moment you hit 25 and above, please introduce retinoids into your skincare routine. Your skin will thank you, because retinoids, it has like massive amount of benefits to your skin. It will. Number 7, and this one, if your pocket is that good, you can go for skincare procedures such as microneedling and resurfacing lasers. What they simply or basically do to your skin, the scarring that is causing, it will cause a reaction on the skin that now the skin like wants to heal. Understand? It will put a skin into a situation whereby now it wants to heal, and during that healing, now obviously the collagen has to come to work, whereby now obviously it will tighten. Understand? Since the skin is trying to heal itself, now it tightens, and that obviously will end up tightening the pores on your skin. Number 8, go for those toners with the green tea ingredients in them. Any toner with green tea ingredient in them, go for those ones. They are good for the skin with the large pores, because the green tea ingredient in them will help dissolve the gunk on the skin and leaving it clean. So when you're looking for toners, go for those ones with green tea in them if you are dealing with large pores and large pores. And also when you're that's why, bestie, like, you need to go check it out. It's so good, like, if you're someone with oily skin, because like kind of these things with it's related, the large pores and the oily skin, it's so related. So you need to check it out, because even when you're dealing with the oily skin, you need to go for toners with the green tea ingredient in them. Our last one on this topic, on your morning routine, try to use niacinamide during your morning routine. Like, have niacinamide with you. Even, yes, you can even apply it at night, but me, I would prefer if you apply it during the day, because like it's among the best ingredients out there, or serums out there for like AM routine. Niacinamide will just help in reducing the oil production on the skin. Aside from that, it will also help you, it will protect your skin from the environmental pollution out there. And after that, obviously, follow it with sunscreen if it's daytime. Always you need to follow all these products. If it's daytime, always apply your sunscreen. Those are the main tips that I have for you for today, for those who have large pores, or at least who are dealing with large pores. So try them and let me know down there in the comments it helped, or if it's a helpful information. Let me know down there in the comments, bestie. And thank you so much for watching till this far, and take care of your skin, and just follow simple steps or tips here and there. Stick to your daily routine, and you'll see change, you'll see difference, you'll see the outcome, and you'll be glad, you'll be happy that you did it, bestie. So that's all for today, and thank you, and see you sooner than later. Bye.